Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create an age calculator in Python. So the first thing you do is log into Rebel, and then you're going to languages, and then type in Python. Okay, so here we go. And in the first line, you're going to type import and wrong time. Then caps lock y year is equal to enter brackets. You're going to take this bracket out. You're going to type and you're going to get the speech marks. One speech mark away, right? Please enter year you want. Then you put this speech mark and then double bracket at the end. Now I'm going to slow again and type bracket in. And then you're gonna put equals. One bracket, take the other away, get some speech marks, take the other way again, and sorry, so that, and speech marks, both of them away, and write the same things apply to this, and then you put them. So these are the three lines, and this should be in the caps lock. It shouldn't be in the caps lock. This here, right here. So year should be not in caps locks. It should be in the bottom. Only here you should put the caps locks. Now for the next one. Okay, so enter the month you want. Now I'm gonna put caps locks day is equal to same thing. I'm gonna do that again. Mark. Take these away and write please enter the day you were born. And some marks and two brackets at the end. Now you type in date of birth. And type date, date, brackets, caps lock year, caps lock month, and then caps lock D, and then now you're going to get to the next line, caps lock A, and then G equal to bracket date time, date time, time dot date time, now, another two brackets again, and then minus hyphen, sorry, dot, data. Here, right, print statements that we've done in last year. Now, you're going to put some brackets and the speech marks, and inside here, you're going to write you, when you said you are, put a plus str, and you do age dot days. The days should not, dot date. The age should have a capital letter because it's a variable, and the days should not have a caps lock because it's day, not days. Now you've done that, you're going to write plus some speech marks, and your nose, and then you write convert this, no capital, integer, 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 age, days. Same thing like we did right here. And come back in the other, and write age, years to convert this to divide by 365 brackets each box. In the middle, we're going to writing or plus str age, and then in the brackets we're going to write age is, and then right here we'll be plus speech marks again. In the middle, write this to 1. You can write anything in the print, but it has to be the same area, and yeah. And you can check this again. So your import datetime, year is equal to integer, brackets, speech marks. Please enter the year you were born, 2 brackets. Month is equal to integer input. Please enter the month you were born. Day is equal to integer input. Please enter the day you were born. Date of birth equals datetime dot datetime. Year, month, day. Age equals datetime dot datetime now, 2 brackets, hyphen, date of birth. Print UR plus STR, age dot days plus days old. Age years equals convert days divided by 365. Print or plus STR, age years plus years old to be less precise. Now let's click. Okay, so there's a mistake in number 2. So years to integer. So we've missed the input. So we can just write the input. And there we go. Okay, now it's going to be asking us, please enter the year you were born. I'm going to write random. 1986. And I'm going to do a random one again, and I'm going to say 3. Please enter the day from again 12. And then it says how much days you were born. This one says 12,285 days old, or 23 years. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to Ted Glitz.